Hey everyone, Greg with btodd.com. I'm super excited to show you the VertDesk V3 Plus. So this is our VertDesk V3 with an additional motor. What it did is it took the capacity from 275 pounds up to 450 pounds. So we're gonna show you real quick. We have 405 pounds in dumbbells on the surface right now, plus the weight of the surface, which is another 45 pounds. We're gonna show you how it goes up. We're gonna use voice control. Hey Siri, lift 450 pounds.
Okay, requesting using VertDesk.
So you can see it has no issues lifting all 450 pounds, and it's actually only losing about a 1/4 inch per second as it moves up from what it normally would be with less weight on there, of course, or no weight at all. Hey Siri, sit down.
Okay, requesting using VertDesk.
So if you're looking for a desk that has more capacity, this is a great option. Check it out at btodd.com. Thanks for watching.